Students, let I describe you the population explosion. It is the part of reproductive health, that is part of chapter 4. And you are well familiar with the word population explosion. Actually, population means the mass of people is called population. And when the growing population will become unlimited, there is the boundary. Suppose that this is the mass of people and there is the limitation, that is within the certain area 1 million people, 2 million people may live. But if they will be unexpected, they become unexpected due to some illiterate factors, due to some unfortunate factors, they will increase the limits of population. That population is later termed as the population explosion. Actually, explosion word related to the explosive devices like the bomb. When the population increased without any limits, then that population, that increased population day by day is known as population explosion. Without delay timing, let I introduce you whatever the exact data for the population. Actually, that is in 1990, the overall world population was actually 2 billion. The overall world population was actually 2 billion. It is about the 2000, that is 2 billion. It is about 2000 millions. But later till 2000, that is till 2000 years, it is talk about year, that is in 1990, world population was actually, it is world population that was actually 2 billion. But till 2000, till the census report of 2000, the overall world population recorded as 6 billion. 6 billions. And it is unfortunate increase of the population in world. Similar patterns are actually followed by our Indian population. And when we have a freedom, that is in 1940, at the time of freedom, our population was actually 350 million. At the time of freedom, the population of India was actually 350 million. But as per the census report of 2000, May 2000, as per the census report of 2000, it is about the year. The 2000 is related to the year and 350 is related to the number of population. In the sense, as per the census report of 2000, our population was recorded as 1 billion. It means 1000 million. It is unfortunate increase of the population. And as per the census report 2011, the world population now become 7.5 billion. It means 7,500 million. And the Indian, it is the world population. And as per the parallel ratio, the Indian population now become 1.25 billion. It means about 1250 millions. And that is पढ़ते होंगे आप मोदी का लेक्चर 125 करोड़ देशवासी, तो वी आर हैविंग 125 बिलियन. and that is actually unfortunate increase of population, and that is actually called as population explosion. That is a major problems, that is the social problem, economical problem, space problem, certain many other problems is actually appeared. And if the population will not be controlled, then there is the other major problems, and other problems may appeared into the human humans, that is for a particular country as well as the worldwide. Now there is a interesting fact appeared regarding the growing population. If the population rate will increase up to this ratio, then our population will become double. Not only our population, the population of world become double in 2033. It means every 33 years the population of a particular place become double. It is the recorded data, it is the recorded data program. And about 125 billion, that is overall world population is 7.5 billion and overall India population is 1.25 billion. It means every sixth person of world every 6 person of world is an Indian. Is an Indian. It is not a matter of proud to us. It is the matter of worry to us. And later, after erasing this, there is need to explain you what are the cause of population growth in India. Now, let us talk about the cause of population growth in India as well as the other place. Actually, in previous year, there was a question appeared, reason for alarming growth of population. So you should mention the heading or for the particular topic, the reason for alarming growth of population in India or any place, there will be no matter, but reason for the alarming growth of population. Now back to discuss what are the exact concept that can explain what are the reason of population growth in particular place. First is early marriage. Early marriage. What is the early marriage? Many students are actually familiar with the word of marriage. Actually, in India, the marriage age of for a female is 18 and for a male is 21. But if the marriage age is actually declined by the society, that is below the 80 for male and below 21 for female, then there is a cause of worry, and that worry may be not only for the case of population, that is actually cause the other health related issues. And if the particular couple begin to reproduces at the very little age, then they will actually reason for the population in a particular country. So you should explain in your own language how the early marriage is responsible for the cause of population. The second one is decline in MMR. MMR, decline or decline in MMR. MMR means maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate. As I have told you, through the different healthcare program, through the different medical facilities, nowadays peoples do not actually causes their mortality, that is their immediate death or accidental or casualty are become decreased day by day, and that is also responsible for the population growth in a particular continents. That is maternal mortality rate means the death rate of mother during the parturition. Many mothers, actually many maternal mortality rate can be appeared, can be seen, can be recorded by the Indian government, and that is actually that was actually in the back history of India. The maternal mortality rate as actually major cause of worries for both maternal as well as infant. But nowadays the maternal, it means the mother and infant both get healthy during the medical facility, during the good medical facility, so that there is the less chance of death, and that is actually main point of population growth. Third one is actually the decline in IMR. Decline in IMR, infant mortality rate. I for infant mortality rate. As I have told you, the similar concept for the child also applied. The good health is good health for child is also provide the unfortunate overcome the unfortunate death for the upcoming baby, that is the upcoming life of the new living being, that is new child. Fourth one is the decline in death rate. The death rate is actually not applied for only the infant or maternal. It is also applied for those people who are under the fall of different other age group, like it may be the male, it may be the senescence, it may be the old age. It means the death rate due to the good medical facilities is actually decline, that is also proportional, inversely proportional to the cause of population growth, and it should be explained by you. Fifth one is the increase in TFR. Increase in TFR. TFR means total fertility rate. Total fertility rate means when you divide the total population from any particular country or from a continent, then through the total reproductive abled couple, then there will be a number obtained, and that number is represent as the TFR. So how can you define the TFR? The total population of a particular place upon total reproductive abled couple. And in India the total TFR value is 2.68. It is 2.68. In India the TFR value is 2.68. So TFR may be defined as the total reproductive couple in total population of a particular country. That is actually the TFR. In India the increased TFR is actually the cause of major problems of population growth. The next one is illiteracy. Illiteracy means the many people believe the growing populations is actually worth of their family, that is actually the strongness, that is actually their good sign for their family, but it is actually not major issues, because the growing population cannot provide the strongness for your family. It can cause the other problems like the education, space, food, etc. So if any people believe that the growing population or much family members can provide the strength, that is actually the total foolishness. And the next one, seventh one, is general myth. General myth. What is the general myth? Many peoples in the village area, in the rural area, actually believe that the boys can actually help them till the lifespan, and actually they required boys, they prefer boys rather than the girls. That is actually also cause of female feticide. And to wait for the boys in the family, many girls child appeared in the family after one another, and that is actually cause of population growth. In wait of boys, in many family, in wait of boys, the girls may obtain and the girls may appeared in the family, and the population of girls may also added in the population of India. That is actually a cause of worry. That is actually the foolishness and illiteracy. Now back to the next problems of the population. Next topics regarding the population, the problems of population. Next point, problems of population explosion. It should be right by you through the full detail. What are the problems? I think there are so many problems, and it is your homework. You should write it very easily. The social problem, economical problem, educational problem, food problem, space problem, shelter problem, problems of unemployment, hygiene and health. There should be several problems that can be recorded, that can be write by you in your own language. Now back to the method to control. Method to control the population. How could you control the population? There are so many ways. According to Government of India, there are so many motivational program are actually launched, like motivational program of V2 Hour 2, V2 Hour 2 program. And according to that program, government promote to those couples who have only 2 child, and that is actually a family planning. That is the part of family planning, and you should write more detail about this. The point number 2, raising marriageable age. That is raising marriageable age. Actually in India the marriageable age for male is 21 year and marriageable age for female is 18 year, and this one is the boundary. And if there is any illegal activity found in which the marriage ceremony organized by a family member in which the male is below 21 and female is below 18, there should be there is actually the illegal, that is that actually marriage ceremony is actually, that marriage actually illegal, and there is action taken through the court and action taken through the legal notice, and that is actually illegal in India. Now third one is the MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy. Actually it is called as abortion. Abortion. If there is a risk of baby, that is, suppose that in a family there has a 4 to 5 already children over there, then the government allow them for the MTP. MTP is well suited for those kinds of mothers who have child below 3 months. It is below 3-month pregnancy. Below 3-month pregnancy, it means below 12 week of pregnancy. Below 12 week of pregnancy, the MTP is safe. And after 3 months, when the baby in womb cross the age of 12 week or 3 months, then it can cause both for the maternal as well as for the infant. That is actually not applicable. So MTP is one of the important program through which the population can be reduced. So the definition, listen, advantage, disadvantage, and why it is illegal, it should be right by you regarding the MTP. Definition, advantage, disadvantage, and why it is illegal. Illegal why? Because many unfortunate cases can be seen in our society that is responsible for MTP. That is actually not allowed by the Indian government. That is actually not beneficial. Listen carefully. And the second and the third is medical termination of pregnancy, and the fourth one is different method of contraception. Different methods of contraception. First one is the family planning program, second one is raising marriageable age, third one is MTP, and fourth one is different methods of contraceptions. And what are the contraceptions? Method to delay the pregnancy. And later I will describe you the different method of contraception along with definition in next video lecture. Thank you.